Hey, we are back with the next part of Mandala pattern series. Again, we have to make the outer portion the same dome shape and connecting it with the lower squares. Then we will go for the replica. Now we will make changes to the inner design. Here we will go for half of the portion will be filled with the leaf venation and second half will be filled with the loops. Then we will use any sort of black pen. As I have mentioned earlier, we are going to use the normal black gel pen. I hope you're enjoying this series, and if you want me to add anything to it, just please let me know in the comment section. Now fill the rest of the portion as I'm doing here, and you will be ready with your basic mandala pattern. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next part.